Someone in your team hands a contract to Claude Code and installs a skill to read it. It quietly shipped your sensitive documents overseas, and it grabbed your AWS and SSH keys on the way. The dashboards, however, stayed green. Real work now runs through AI agents on your devices. Claude Code, Claude Code, Cursor, and many more. Plugged into everything through MCPs. And skills? Skills are the new NPM package. People grab them off a link, off a Slack message, with zero review, and run it. Your existing security tools cannot see any of it. That's why today, we're announcing Workstation Lens by Repello. For the first time, a CISO or IT admin gets full visibility and control over how their whole workforce uses AI. Every third-party MCP server, every skill, every plugin, every hook. Discovered and judged. You approve what you trust, block the rest. So you can roll out Claude, Cursor, Codex, Anti-Gravity, and many more Workstation AI apps across your company securely. Start a pilot with us, Workstation Lens by Repello.